We had an event to create awareness about the Takeda airbag recall that some Toyota vehicles have.
There is a high number of people that have not had their recall done. So Toyota of Irving partners with the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. So when we found out that they were hosting this event at Texas Live for the Lassans Festival, we knew that was an optimal time for us to get out and to be able to engage with these customers. You know, mailers are great, emails are great, but when you're face to face with somebody, you get to shake their hand. That's probably the most effective thing.
And yeah, we're just trying to get engaged with them, trying to get them to play the wheel, and then asking them if they had a Toyota vehicle, what kind of car, and letting them know about the recall, the app that they could download themselves and check for themselves to see if they have an open recall.
I think the event was a great success. We had hundreds of people come by our booth, and we were able to engage them, talk to them about recalls. A lot of them drove Toyotas, so it was really a great time to explain to them kind of how recalls work, how important they are. And we were also able to set some appointments and get some information out and just engage with the public. It was a great event, a big success.
I hope a lot of people got the message, and I hope a lot of people, come in and try to get this done as soon as possible.